Hello, my name is Jordan Morgan, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about how to effectively recycle. In 2010, the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency stated that on average, Minnesota high schools' waste streams consist of 28% recyclable material. And myself, I work in the sustainability office here on campus. We have conducted our own waste audits on our campus's trash flow. And I can just say that 20% of recyclable material in our trash stream is very comparable to the trash stream here on campus. So today, I'm going to tell you how to effectively recycle. First, I'm going to discuss a brief history of recycling in Bemidji. Second, I'm going to discuss how to effectively recycle fibers. And third, I'm going to discuss how to effectively recycle containers. Okay. So Tom Robertson of the NPR in 2009 stated that Bemidji used to have a curbside recycling program, but in 2007 the program was cut due to tax budget cuts. And in 2015, Erica Bailey Johnson, Bemidji's sustainability coordinator, stated that Bemidji is the largest city in Minnesota without curbside recycling. And in 2008, Beltrami County stated that you can still recycle your recyclables by bringing them to 3 drop-off sites located within the city limits. And those 3 sites are going to be the Bemidji Transfer Station, the 10 Lakes Rural Site, and the Bemidji Mall site, which is located in the back of the Bemidji Mall. So here in Bemidji, we have a dual stream system. So that means that you have to sort your recyclables into 2 different streams. That's going to be your fibers and your containers. So first, I'm going to discuss fibers a little bit. Fibers are going to consist of your papers. Okay, these are going to be things that you take your notes on. Teachers are going to give out handouts, their books. Okay, these are going to be recyclable, so you can go ahead and put that in your fiber bin. Second is cardboard. Okay, these are your pizza boxes. These are your packaging material. Those sort of thing. Those are good to recycle. So you're going to want to break it down into compact as possible and go ahead and recycle that. It's important to note that if your fibers do have any food contamination, this can be grease, this can be sauce, etc. Any kind of food that's not going to be recyclable. You're going to put that in your garbage can and not recycle that because of the food contamination. So second are containers. An example of containers are going to be your plastics. Okay, and to tell if your plastics are recyclable, you're going to want to check the number at the bottom in between the little triangle recyclable symbol for its number. Here in Bemidji, we recycle numbers 1 through 7. This container happens to be a number 2, so this is good to be recycled. It's important to note that you're going to want to rinse out your container before you recycle it to maximize recyclability. And then this cap, the cap are made out of different material. They're not recyclable. You're going to throw that out, but the container itself, that's still good to recycle. Okay. Next is glass. All types of glass are going to be recyclable. You're going to want to rinse it out and make sure there's no food or any other sort of biomaterial on there. But if there isn't, then it's good to recycle, even if it's broken. Next are metals. All and any metals are recyclable. Any aluminum cans, any metal spoons. Okay, these are going to be good to recycle. As long as you make sure they're free of any biomaterial. Okay, make sure there's no soup in your aluminum can. Make sure there's not any food left on your spoons. But otherwise, those are good to recycle. As well as your aluminum cans are also going to be recyclable there. In 2015, Waste Management said that recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. And I think that's pretty incredible. I mean, 3 hours of TV off of one aluminum can, that's a lot of TV. So today, I've taught you how to recycle. First, I discussed a brief history of recycling in Bemidji. Second, I discussed how to effectively recycle fibers. And third, I discussed how to effectively recycle containers. And if done right, recycling can divert an ample amount of recyclables from our landfills back into the market to be transformed into a usable commodity. So now I've given you the necessary information to recycle, and thank you for listening to me.